Hi students, this is Viswanath, Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Now see the answers for IIT JEE Mains 2021 exam held on 16th March morning session. Say this: antihistamines are antacid and anti-allergic drugs. Option A is the answer. Antihistamine can work as antacid, or some other drugs acts as an anti-allergic. Okay. Next, which vitamins are stored in body for longer time? Vitamin A and D can store in our body. Option B is the answer. Next, in presence of O3, which of the following pollution happens in daytime? Oxidizing smog can occur in daytime in presence of ozone. Option C is the answer. Next, chromatography is not affected by which of the following? Solubility of compound, mobility of solvent, length of column. All these can affect chromatography, but state of pure compound, purity cannot affect. So option D is the answer. Next, Lindlar's catalyst is partially deactivated pelladized charcoal. Already we know this. Lindlar's catalyst is used in Stephen reduction. Cyanides are converted to Lindlar's catalyst. Acid chlorides are converted to aldehydes. So option A is the answer. Next, in the preparation of cis alkenes from alkynes, we can use this Lindlar's catalyst. Next, aniline is treated with HNO2, gives compound A. Treated with compound B, we can get phenol. Find A and B. It is a simple reaction. See the equation for this. Aniline means C6H5NH2. So this is aniline. This compound is treated with HNO2, nitrous acid. Then diazotization takes place. We can get diazonium ion. That is this one. This diazonium ion treated with water at a high temperature. Then it is converted to phenol. So here this is compound A and water is compound B. Then what is the suitable option? Option B is the answer. Next, determine the number of equivalents of ethylene diamine which are required to replace neutral ligands in trans COCl3 4NH3. It is a numerical type based question. See the structure of trans COCl3 4NH3. This is the structure. Cobalt is the central atom. 6 ligands are there. 4 NH3 and 2 chlorine. This is transform because chlorine ligands are not in adjacent positions. So this is transform. Here, how many equivalents of ethylene diamine is required to replace neutral ligands? In this compound, chlorine is a negative ligand and NH3 are neutral ligands. How many molecules are there? 4 molecules are there. 1 ethylene diamine can replace 2 molecules of NH3. Here, total 4 NH3 molecules are present. 4 NH3 molecules are present. Hence, two molecules of ethylene diamine, two equivalents. Two molecules or two equivalents. Two equivalents of ethylene diamine is required. Because ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand, one molecule can replace two ammonia. Here total 4 NH3 are there. That's why two equivalents of ethylene diamine is required. Answer 2. Next, 16 grams of O2, 28 grams of N2, 44 grams of CO2 is taken in a container of volume V at a temperature T. Determine the total pressure. It is related to ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? PV equal to nRT. But in the given mixture, different types of gases are there: O2, N2, CO2. So we have to find out number of moles for each gas. Number of moles of O2 equal to given mass 16 divided by molar mass 32, that equal to 0.5. Number of moles of N2 given mass 28 by molar mass 28 equal to 1. Number of moles of CO2 44 divided by 44, that equal to 1. So total number of moles, how much? 0.5 plus 1 plus 1, that equal to 2.5. Now P equal to nRT by V. N means this one. 2.5 into R into T divided by volume V. That implies 25 by 10 into RT by V. So 5 by 2 RT by V. Then what is the option? Option A is the answer. Next, sulfur can be removed from ores by roasting process. By roasting process, we can remove sulfur from ore because in presence of air, ore is heated. Then sulfur present in the ore, sulfur is present in the form of sulfide in the given ore. That sulfur reacts with oxygen and converted to sulfur dioxide. So S plus O2 gives rise to SO2. In this way, sulfur present in the ore is removed in the form of SO2 by roasting process. Option A is the answer. Next, statement 1. H2O2 can act both as oxidizing and reducing agent in basic medium. That is correct. Statement 2. In hydrogen economy, energy is stored in the form of dihydrogen. This one also correct. So both these statements are true. Then what is the option? Option C is the answer. Okay students, we'll meet you in the next class.